It's him and I, Aquemini.
What's going on YouTube? This is Marcos from Criminal Pressure Washing, and I'm back again with another video. Hey, it's another wonderful day that God bless us here in Atlanta. In this video, we're going to do a pool cleaning. This is a returning customer, so let me show you what we have. All right, guys, here is the pool. Let's do our walk around. As you see, we have a lot of mold and dirt and stuff built up on here. This has been a couple of years. I think about 2 years since I've been here. So this is a returning customer. They just took the tarp off, so they're gonna finish getting the pool cleaned out. So they want to go ahead and get this area right here clean. As you can see, a lot of algae and mold stuff right here. Also, we're gonna spray this deck. He always get this clean right here, just the bottom portion. He has the top portion we're not doing. Now this area right here, you can see it's got a lot of mold and algae and dirt and stuff built up, and a lot of that stuff is just washing from the deck above. So have a couple of bird dropping stuff right here. So we're gonna get all this clean. In this area right here, this is a little drain. It fills up with dirt. Last time I was here, I tried to clean this out. I'm gonna try to duplicate that again, so that way he won't have any kind of draining issue. Also, it's gonna help me keep water from building up in this area if I get this cleaned out. Hey, I'm not too sure what direction and where it comes out at, but we're gonna try to get it clean as best as we can. I think I did something where it came out over here behind the deck. It feeds underneath the deck, and I think it shoots out on this side. I could be wrong, but let's hope we get that part right there clean. So, all right, guys, so that's the pool area. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, I got this little section clean. I haven't done a post treatment yet. Don't worry, it's gonna get done. I'm just gonna go ahead and get all this done right here to make sure that this is clean. And the reason I'm doing this first, this is a low area right here. So the water builds up right here. So what I did, I try to clean this little drain with my pressure washer so the water would drain a little bit easier out of the way. And I won't have a puddle right here when I'm doing my surface cleaning. So if you have a drain, so make sure that you clean it, because there usually some kind of drain and stuff right here around the pool. Make sure that you clean that so you can have good drainage. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump on the surface cleaner and get this area clean. And then we're gonna come back and do a pre-treatment on the deck. And like I said, we're just doing the bottom portion, and we do a pre-treatment on the rest of this. Now, this is the key. I did X-jet this part right here. That area over here is not as bad as this was, so I'm gonna use the downstream ejector to do this part. And the reason being, I don't need a stronger chemical. I X-jetted this because I needed a stronger chemical. Like I said, it's a little bit stronger than what I'm using. I normally use 3% because it was bad. But when I downstream, like I said, it's gonna be a little bit weaker than the X-jet. All right, guys, I got this rinsed off over here. Looking good. I still had to do the post-treatment. I did a pre-treatment on this side over here, and around this gate, I did a cut in because the surface cleaner is not gonna get close to the gate. So we, like I said, pre-treatment over here. I just got through mixing some more chemicals. So I'm gonna come back and do another treatment right here before I get started. But I'm still gonna go ahead and let this dwell. Get all that green algae up. When I start to see that fade, then it's ready for me to clean. On this side, it was green. It's starting to turn brown, which that's what you want to see, guys. I want to see the stuff turn brown. And then after I get this whole area clean, I'm gonna go ahead and do a post-treatment. It's turning brown, so that side over there is, let's look over there real quick. This side over here, all the algae is starting to die. See, it's brown now. There's no green stuff over here, so we know it's clean. Well, we know it's dead. It's not clean. So now we gotta get the surface cleaner on this little area right here, get everything clean. And I also did a treatment over here, so I'm gonna rinse this off. I'm not gonna put high pressure. They're trying to maintain as much of the deck they can as far as the stain. So no high pressure. This is going to be a soft wash on this part right here. I don't have to post treat this because it's not concrete. But all this over here, I will have to post treat. And if you're wondering about the pool, all the stuff that's going in the pool and stuff like that, normally I try my best to keep that away or either blow it off, but they just took the top off. The pool guy is coming tomorrow after I leave here today, so I gotta get this area clean, and then he's gonna clean the pool. So nope, it's no problem because it hasn't been cleaned. The top just came off just a couple of days ago, and now they just shot the pool, and now they gotta come back and clean it. All right, guys, as you can see, the SH went ahead and cleaned all that stuff off, so I'm just gotta rinse it off now. All right, guys, I'm finished with the pool area. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, Aquamanites, that's going to do it for this video. I hope that you found it entertaining. If not, at least I hope that you learned something from it. If you didn't, go back and look at the video because you skipped over the good parts. Once again, if you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. This is Marcos from Aquamani Pressure Washing, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
It's him and I, Aquamani.